As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
So, I'm looking at these two Weber grills, the Q1200 and the Spirit E-310. What are your initial thoughts?
Well, the Q1200 is definitely the portable option, right?
Yeah, it's much smaller, only 30 pounds, whereas the Spirit is a hefty 98 pounds.
Exactly. The Q1200 is made for tailgating. It runs on those small propane cylinders.
True, but you can get an adapter for a larger tank. The Spirit, though, that's designed for a full-size propane tank and stays put.
Performance-wise, the Spirit E-310 has 3 burners cranking out 19,000 BTUs.
The Q1200 only has one burner at 8,500 BTUs.
Bigger cooking area too, right?
Absolutely. The Spirit boasts 360 square inches of cooking space compared to the Q1200's 189.
So, for big cookouts, the Spirit wins.
No question. It's got porcelain enameled cast iron grates, which are great for heat retention. The Q1200 has those too, though.
And the Spirit has those flavorizer bars, which should give a better flavor.
One thing I like about the Q1200 is that it comes fully assembled.
Yeah, the Spirit E-310 requires assembly.
That could be a hassle.
True, but the Spirit has a 10-year warranty.
Nice. The Q1200 doesn't explicitly state the warranty length.
I see the Spirit E-310 has Weber Works side rails that you can add accessories to.
That's cool. More room for tools.
It also has a cabinet to hide the propane tank.
Ooh, that's a cleaner look.
The Q1200 is less than $300. The Spirit E-310 is a bit more expensive, around $450.
So it really comes down to what you need. Portability and convenience versus more cooking power and space.
Exactly. A small family or tailgater would love the Q1200.
But if you're feeding a crowd regularly, the Spirit E-310 is the way to go. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.